Lamborghini Polo Storico just hit its 10th anniversary in style with a spectacular celebration in St. Moritz, where classic Lambos took center stage, drawing enthusiasts and collectors from everywhere. One car that truly stole the spotlight was the legendary Diablo SE30, showcased right on the terrace at Balthazar downtown, overlooking the breathtaking Lake St. Moritz. Now, let's take a moment to appreciate this masterpiece. The Diablo SE30 was originally developed to mark Lamborghini's 30th anniversary and is one of the most exclusive models in the Diablo series. With only 150 units produced worldwide, this car is an absolute rarity and a highly coveted collector's item. Taking cues from the production Diablo, it features aluminum panels from the production model, but gets enhanced with carbon fiber composite parts, like a deeper front spoiler and larger cooling intakes on the sides. And let's not forget the bespoke adjustable rear wing, which automatically lowers at high speeds to cut down drag. And don't forget that head-turning metallic purple finish, which adds an extra dose of exclusivity. Inside, the SE30 is stripped down for weight savings, with glass side windows replaced by plexiglass and an interior loaded with carbon fiber elements. The cabin is finished in blue Alcantara, adorned with special 30th anniversary logos, adding an extra touch of exclusivity. Powering this beast is a 5.7-liter V12 that delivers 525 horsepower and 580 newton-meters of torque, thanks to revised cylinder heads, a free-flow exhaust, and a reprogrammed injection system. Plus, with a 125-kilogram weight reduction, the Diablo SE30 rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.0 seconds, with a top speed of 207 miles per hour. And the celebrations don't stop there. Lamborghini's anniversary festivities will continue from April 24th to 27th in Rome at the Anantara Concord Elegance.